Hello, happy Friday. Today is Friday Sews, where we share a little bit about sewing and a little bit about life. Today I'm wearing a t-shirt that I used my Cricut on with vinyl, iron-on vinyl, to create this Just Breathe with a dandelion blowing in the wind. I love it. I went to Joann's this week and their Butterick patterns were $1.99, and I picked up this adorable little girl's dress. It's Butterick 4176. Isn't it adorable? I love this little pin tuck dress right here with the little flowers. Kind of reminds me of my pin tuck dress. So sweet. And that cute little top. Everything here is just adorable. So I picked that up. And there's the line drawings. And then I picked up Butterick 3860. So sweet. Again, $1.99. Great deal. And then I went to the clearance section and they had some of their clearance an additional 40% off. So I found this beautiful cotton fabric, 100% cotton, and it has like a brown background with these beautiful pink flowers. And I'm going to use this to make me a fall dress for the fall, because I just love the brown. It kind of matches my hair and will be so pretty in the fall. And I got 3 yards of this and it was $2.15 a yard. What a deal. And I picked up this bleached muslin. I got 6 yards of this. It was on sale for $2.24 a yard. I got 6 yards of that, and because you're always needing some white fabric for linings and different projects. So that was a good deal. Last Friday, I showed you how I made a pin cushion out of a tuna can. So I thought I'd show you the pin cushions I made using a bottle cap. And I inserted a little piece of elastic so you could put it on as a ring. Isn't that sweet? And this one kind of looks like a little hat too, with a ribbon and the lace. This one. And here's another one I made with a piece of elastic to make it into a ring. I just haven't put a ribbon around this one yet. And here's a really sweet one. I love this one with the pink fabric and the little pink roses going around it. And this one also is a ring. So while your hand's sewing, you got your needles right there. And these are all made out of a bottle cap. And this one has a magnet right on the bottom, so you could stick this on your metal sewing machine or cabinet or refrigerator, wherever you need to have your needles nearby. I also made this a while back. This is a little necklace dollhouse made from a matchbox, one of those small matchbox. And the surprise is when you open the side, I have a little baby doll I made inside. I made the head out of a little wooden button and felt, and I used the jewelry making wire to do the hands, and I used yarn to make the hair. She's a little smushed from being in the box, and I lined it with a little piece of fabric inside. Isn't that sweet? If any of you would like a tutorial on how to make this, please comment below, and I'll see if I can find all my my patterns for this and get the supplies together and do a tutorial on how to make this.